Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got the Ryobi impact driver, model number PCL235. So we're just gonna go through the basic features of this driver and show you show you how to use it. So this is very easy, simple tool to use, so this won't be a very long video. So I'll show you how to take the battery out. You just press that button and that button, and then to slide it back in, it just clips into place. And this is your forward and reverse buttons. And then when you have it halfway between, it locks, acts as a lock for your trigger. And then pretty much the only other thing is when you're removing a bit, just like the other drivers, the other brands make, pull up on that, lift your bit out, and then to put a bit back in, lift up, slide in. Yeah guys, that's it. That's the Ryobi impact driver, model number PCL235. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.